It's bad, like really bad?
It's pretty bad, yeah. Like,
how much are you gonna get if parents fucking totals? It's like a lot, right?
I don't know, but I'm not really trying to do all that. I just want to get it fixed.
Let me wait for these pictures and then I'll send it to them.
Alright guys, my car is gone for the next 2 weeks. I'm dropping it off right now. We out. Brian's about to pick me up and we'll see what goes down from there, so let's get in, let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, my car is destroyed. I will talk about it later in the video once I get home.
No, guess who's back?
Drew is back, guys. My boy Drew is back. He hasn't been in a video in like a month. Squad. Shut your ass up, bro. Come here. Ah! Alright guys, so I'm gonna be completely honest with you right now. I was not planning on making this video. I didn't know I was gonna do this at all. But a lot of you guys have been asking what's going on with my car because I said I'll see it in 2 weeks on Snapchat. So, as you can see from earlier, I dropped it off at the auto body shop and I showed you guys a bit of footage of how it was. And I have some other pictures I'm gonna put in the video right now. I didn't want to make this video, but I can't just hide this from you guys and just pretend like it didn't happen. So, I crashed my car. Obviously it's my fault because I crashed my own car, but let me tell you guys exactly what happened. Hold on, let me take this shit off real quick. Alright, so basically what happened was, alright, so me and Brian went to Six Flags for the day, right? And then we come back and it starts downpouring everywhere, like just freaking straight downpouring. And my car's rear-wheel drive, obviously it's not good to be driving in the rain. I have a 370Z. It's a freaking sports car. You're not supposed to drive it in the rain. It's not good for it. But I was driving in the rain. I'm going down a hill, right? I'm going down a hill and there's like a huge puddle at the bottom of the hill. I didn't see it. I had my left hand on the wheel, right? And my other hand, I was holding my girlfriend's hand. So I was just chilling. And we go down, I hit that puddle, the wheel turns, and by the time I had both hands on the wheel, we're already backwards. So she was in the car with me too. My girlfriend was in the car when this happened, so. And once I hit that curve, I was all the way in the left lane, right? And then once I spun out, I went all the way over every single lane. Thank God I didn't hit any other cars. This could have been way worse. And also thank God I wasn't driving like I normally drive. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, normally I drive like 90 to 100 miles an hour on the highway at normal speeds, but I was going 50 because of the rain, so I was going super slow. Thank God, or else I probably would have died, or I probably would have flipped over the guardrail at least. So I go from the left lane all the way over to the right lane, didn't hit any cars, thank God, and I hit into the guardrail on my side, which is also, thank God it was on my side, I wasn't on the other side. So I hit into the guardrail on my side. I ate that shit. Like, once I hit it, I was like, and just ate it, and then the 2 airbags came out, and I just like scraped across the guardrail. I yanked the e-brake so I could stop and got out the car and seen the damage. And yeah, now it's at the shop. It's getting fixed, guys. It'll be back in 2 weeks. It'll be back to brand new in 2 weeks. And then me and Chunky were talking earlier on Twitter and stuff. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, you know, just go drop that follow right now at Luzzi_Michael. Go drop that follow. So yeah, me and Chunky were talking on Twitter. We're looking at some Hellcats, some Challengers. So who knows? It might happen. Me and Chunky might be getting some freaking Hellcats. If that happens, that's literally going to be insane. But guys, like in that situation, I didn't know, like, I didn't want to make a big deal of the situation. Like, nobody got hurt, thank God. Like, nothing. It could have been a lot worse. That's the way I was thinking about it. That's why, like, the damage on the car was a lot of money, but nobody got hurt. That's all that matters. The car's replaceable. People aren't. So the car's getting fixed. That's it. That's all I really have to say. So yeah, as you can see, all the damage. I just filmed this in one go. That's mad good. This is a 3-minute clip right now. I don't even have to cut any of this or stop any of it because I'm just that nice. But we just got this fake bunny right here. My boy Ant gave it to me. It looks super real. It's like supposed to be $10,000, but we got it for 20 bucks. So if you guys do want to see any videos of us film with this, let me know. And also I have a bunch of ideas coming up very soon. Some big videos coming. And that should be fun too, so. It's gonna be lit, guys. I have a lot of ideas going down for YouTube right now, so it's gonna be fun. A lot of big things to come. But I'm sorry if this video is short. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on because I didn't want to like just hide that from you guys and pretend like it never happened, which it did happen. But I'm still trying to forget about it because I don't want to go through all that. But yeah, car's getting fixed. It'll be back in 2 weeks. For now, I've just been chilling with like Brian and everyone. They've been driving me around. So shout out to all the homies that have been driving me around. And yeah, we've just been filming a bunch of videos with them. We have some more Savage videos coming out. I was going to post a Walmart video tomorrow, but I was like, nah, I have to tell you guys what's going on. Like, I can't keep just waiting. So I have that Walmart video coming out very soon. It's super funny. And then I have a BJ's video where one of the workers knew us. So it was like, it came out super dope. So you guys will be able to see both of those. And this is just one long clip right now. I'm just going at it. I don't know how I'm doing this right now, but yeah, guys. Oh yeah, also, comment some video ideas we can do with these, and also comment some stuff that I should buy for videos below, because I want to start doing like some cool videos. I don't know what else to do like with ideas, but I have these brass knuckles. If I should, like, I had one comment saying I should punch some fruits. So I mean, if you guys want to see that, we'll get it done. But I guess for this video, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Well, I mean, all I did was really talk about the car crash and stuff, and showed you guys me going to the auto body and stuff. But yeah, that's really it for this video. The damage was a pretty decent amount of money. I'm not going to tell you guys how much, because that's not like something that I want to talk about in the vlog. But yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my social media in the description. I love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me so much. It really means a lot. We're almost at 410K, which is insane. Guys, 400,000 people clicked that subscribe button on my channel. That really means a lot. So thank you guys so much for that. But that's it for this video. More videos to come. You already know we are dropping bangers every single day. If you are not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Have a good day. Peace out.
Middle finger to the law. 12. Did what it take to be boss. Did what it take to be boss. This for my niggas who don't ever took a loss. This for my niggas locked up behind bars.